People talk about nightmares like they're monsters hiding under the bed. But the real nightmare, the one that keeps coming back, is that feeling of being trapped. Like something has its hands around your life, holding you down, choking your progress, refusing to let you rise. Here's the truth nobody wants to admit. That thing in the nightmare, that weight on your chest, that force pulling you backward, is you. There are only two ways people face life. Some point fingers at the world, and some look in the mirror and ask, what can I do better? Blaming others is easy. It feeds your ego, it protects your pride, but it also keeps you stuck exactly where you are. We demand guarantees from everyone else, from jobs, from friends, from life. Yet we refuse to make guarantees to ourselves. That's the real problem. You want honesty. You owe you an explanation. You owe you accountability. You owe you effort. Look yourself in the mirror and ask, why am I giving half of what I'm capable of? Why am I settling for average? Why am I letting myself slide? Sometimes you need to be your own coach, your own drill sergeant, your own wake-up call. Tell yourself, no more mindless TV. No more comfort eating. No more wasting hours. We're working now. We're building now. We're leveling up now. Every day you owe yourself progress. I expect more from myself than anyone else ever could. I'm not competing with the person next to me. I'm competing with the person I was yesterday. It's always you versus you. You're the one who has to get up early. You're the one who has to stay disciplined. You're the one who has to put in the work when nobody's watching. Success doesn't come from coaches, bosses, or mentors. It comes from consistent, relentless self-demand. I value myself enough to give everything I've got. 120% or nothing. No excuses, no shortcuts, no pretending. I didn't get here by blaming the world. I got here by changing myself. I stopped waiting for life to hand me something. I stopped acting like a victim. I decided to fight, to learn, to grow, to push forward every single day. I chose to become a victor, not a victim. So ask yourself, what are you willing to do for you? What are you willing to sacrifice? What are you willing to change? Because at the end of the day, nobody can stop you, except you.